Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial video, we're going to be talking about adding emojis to your status and username on Slack really quickly. So drop a like and now let us get started. Alright, so let me head over to my workspace here for demonstration purposes. And what you want to do guys is, for example, click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner to access your profile. So click on profile here. After that, you will see your profile overview here on the right panel. So normally, if you'd like to customize and change your username, you would simply click on edit here to the right next to your username. And after that, here where it says full name or display name, simply add an emoji by typing it in on your keyboard, for example. But as you can see, if you try to do that, Slack will notify you that punctuations and symbols like these are not allowed in your full name, only letters. So another option would be to simply head over to a library online with emojis and to copy the emoji you would like to add to your username. So let me go with that smiling face or smiling eyes emoji for the sake of this tutorial. Head back to my profile and try to paste that copied emoji here into that next to my username. And again, Slack tells me that using emojis like that doesn't work. It is unfortunately not allowed. So there's only one way how you can bypass this, guys. You can't do this unfortunately in your user settings. So cancel or click on cancel here to close that window. So alternatively, guys, what you want to do is update your status here on Slack. To do that, simply click on that icon here in the bottom left corner on your profile and select update your status and simply select one of these smileys below, like that one here, for example, or that emoji. However, guys, if you don't see your preferred or favorite emoji here, simply click on this button at the bottom, added suggestions for the given workspace. That is going to redirect you to that customization menu here in your workspace settings. So what you want to do is simply left click on the emoji you would like to customize. So let me go with, for example, that one here, vacationing, and replace that tree here, for example, that palm, with a custom emoji from that list. So simply pick the emoji you would like to use, like that smiling emoji here. And there you go. As you can see, it replaced that palm tree. So what you want to do is, in the last step, is click on save here in the bottom right corner and head back to your profile settings here, set a status, but this time with your updated emoji, just like that. Click on save, and there you go. As you can see, now we see that smiling face, that emoji next to my username here in my conversations and messages and announcements on Slack. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.